Okay, today we're going to work with Adobe Illustrator to make a fake flyer or poster. Go ahead and search for Illustrator. Let's open it up. When you open it up, it has a lot of things that can help you learn how to use it. And let's just create a new poster. Okay, up here there's a lot of things that you can make. Let's go to Art and Illustration. We're going to make a poster. Let's have it measured in inches. So this is especially important if you would want to print it. And I'm going to go ahead and create a background. And for the background, I'm just going to draw a rectangle and then fill in that rectangle with a color. It can be gradient, it can have a color, or it can just be a solid color. If you want some fancy things, go to the library and you can do some decorative patterns and choose something fun like this. Didn't mean to create that other one, so let's go Command Z. Okay. I'm going to insert a photo that I worked on in Adobe Photoshop, but if you just have one photo that you want to use, you can go ahead and insert that. And so we're going to go to Type, and we want to put some type up here, and I'm going to type in there. So now I want to change the size and the color and the appearance of that, so I highlight it. I want it to be centered. I want it to be way bigger. A different color and a different font. So to choose the different fonts, you can go through here. And there are a lot to choose from. Let's see. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's a little hard to read against this background, so there's a couple things you can do. You can change the fill color, or you can change the stroke by giving it maybe like a, the stroke is the outside of the letters. There you go. So that's going to be the title, and then down here I want to tell you a little bit about the club. Of course, this is a fake club. It's supposed to be funny. Throughout this quarantine, I have realized that I'm an introvert, so I'm fairly okay, but I do miss my students the most and being in a classroom and all of your questions. So let's do another section. Okay, this is still really hard to see, so I'm just trying to get it to a size that we can read. And make it bold, that's good. Okay, and let's just move this down a little bit, move this up a little bit. So there's two different arrows. This is the selection tool, this is the direct selection tool. Make sure that you have those when you're moving something. Okay, when you're done, save it and share it with me.